Meaning of glamorize.
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 Glamorize. To glamorize something means to make it seem more attractive or exciting than it really is, often by exaggerating its positive aspects and downplaying its negatives. This word is often used in the context of media and entertainment, where celebrities or lifestyles are portrayed as glamorous and desirable, even if they are not necessarily healthy or realistic. The result of glamorizing something can be misleading and may contribute to unrealistic expectations or harmful behaviors, particularly among impressionable audiences. It's important to recognize and resist the temptation to glamorize things that are not actually beneficial for us.